Welcome to my end of the week recap here for Apple. If you remember from my previous video, I was looking for a break above this trend line here. As it turns out, Thursday gave me a nice opportunity to get in some 170 calls here at 98. Not the best fill. I was a little bit late to pull the trigger on that. Took half off at 104 as price action did appear to be stalling. Second half did trail me out down here at 93. Overall, first trade was a wash. Took another trade here midday for Apple. There's a 15-minute break above a green candle and a reclaim of the VWAP. Got me in the same 170 calls here at 71 cents. Trailed me out half of them at 92 simply because there was an opening range high. Showed somewhat of a resistance there and trailed me out at 89 for the rest of them as that sell-off occurred. Friday was a nice open, gapped up over my significant moving averages, the 8 and 21. Looked like it was going to follow through and actually create possibly a bullish trend. That was not the case. Price action run right into 171, which is worth mentioning. That is the low of the earnings gap up day. Traders probably were looking at that as a resistance now that price action has blown below it, or we're trading this trend line right here. Who knows? Anyways, all we can tell is that there was resistance there. Saw some sellers on the tape, took me out at 97, just sat on my hands for the rest of the day. I'm going to go here to my plan for Monday and going into next week. We've now set up basically another range of chop here for Thursday and Friday. We'll be looking for a move above 170.50 for a long play. Also support down here at 168.5, which is worth mentioning. This is basically the breakdown level that would confirm a potential double top. Now, because it's broken below it a couple of times, held, and actually pushed back up through it with a decent amount of strength anyways, leads me to believe it may be a trap for the bears, and the market makers are just trying to get some on the wrong side to compound the buying pressure once it does push up and causes those bears to close their positions. Down below here, I will also be looking for support play at the 50 SMA, which is about this level at the moment, 165.30. As price opens up on Monday, this 50 SMA will move a little bit higher, probably up into this downtrend bearish profit target. I'll be looking for a support play at that level as well. Any trigger into these long plays, temporary price target will be around this trend line here. If it consolidates here and breaks above, I will add into that position. If it hits here, consolidates, or hits here and rejects, I'll just simply trail my stop out up there, take my profit, and wait for the next play. Overall, this will be my trade plan for Monday. Have a good weekend and good luck.